Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all the beginners out there who want to learn HTML from scratch. HTML is the backbone of web development, and understanding its fundamentals is essential for building web pages. In this video, we'll provide you with a beginner's guide to HTML, along with some valuable website references to enhance your learning experience. So, let's dive in. Introduction to HTML. Before we begin, let's have a quick introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is used to structure the content of a web page. It consists of tags that define the elements and their properties. We'll cover the basic structure of an HTML document, commonly used tags, and their attributes. Website reference. W3 Schools. One of the best resources for learning HTML is W3 Schools, www.w3schools.com. It provides a comprehensive HTML tutorial with examples and interactive exercises. You can explore different HTML tags, attributes, and elements on their website. It's a great starting point for beginners. Part 2. Building a simple web page. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice by building a simple web page. We'll start with the basic structure of an HTML document, including the doc type declaration, head, and body. We'll add headings, paragraphs, images, links, and lists to our web page. Website reference number 2. MDN Web Docs. MDN Web Docs, developer.mozilla.org, is another fantastic resource for HTML learning. It provides detailed documentation, tutorials, and guides for various web technologies, including HTML. You can find in-depth explanations and examples on HTML elements, attributes, and related topics. Part 3. Working with forms and input elements. Forms are an essential part of web development, allowing users to interact with a website. We'll cover different form elements like text inputs, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down menus. We'll also explore how to validate user input and handle form submission using HTML attributes. Website reference number 3. HTML-Dog. HTML-Dog, www.humledog.com, is a resource dedicated to teaching HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It provides beginner-friendly tutorials, exercises, and references. You can find step-by-step tutorials on HTML forms, along with additional resources to strengthen your HTML skills. Part 4. HTML5 Semantic Elements. HTML5 introduced semantic elements that provide more meaningful structure to web pages. We'll explore elements like header, nav, section, article, aside, and footer. These elements help improve accessibility, search engine optimization, and code readability. Website reference number 4. HTML5 Doctor. HTML5 Doctor, html5doctor.com, is an online resource that focuses on the proper use of HTML5. It provides articles, tutorials, and best practices for utilizing HTML5 features effectively. You'll find detailed explanations and examples of semantic elements on their website. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this beginner's guide to HTML. We covered the basics of HTML, building a simple web page, working with forms, and utilizing HTML5 semantic elements. Remember, practice is key to mastering HTML. Make sure to visit the website references we mentioned, such as W3 Schools, MDN Web Docs, HTML-Dog, and HTML5 Doctor, to enhance your learning journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more web development tutorials. Let us know in the comments section if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!